How to solve Amazon temporarily locked account issue. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing is to figure out why your Amazon account is locked. There can be a couple of reasons, such as unusual activity detected, incorrect billing information, too many failed login attempts, or policy violation. Now, in order to unlock your Amazon account, the first thing you can try is resetting your password. For that, open up any web browser, or you can also launch open the Amazon app. Now, head over to Amazon login page. Here you want to select the forgot password option. Now, tap on the continue option and follow the instructions to reset your password. If your account does not unlock after this, then the second thing you want to do is look for an email from Amazon. Usually, when your account is locked, Amazon will send you instructions on how to verify your identity and unlock your account. You simply want to open the mail from Amazon and over here follow the on-screen prompts in order to recover your account. If Amazon asks you for identity verification, you want to scan and upload one or more of the following documents, such as government issued ID, credit or debit card linked to your account, or a recent billing statement. You want to reply to the email and attach the requested documents. If even after doing that your account is still not unlocked, you can directly contact the customer support of Amazon and they will help you fix your problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.